National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Teller County in central Colorado, northwestern El Paso County in east central Colorado until 4 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Creek, or 24 miles northwest of Colorado Springs, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Monument, Palmer Lake, and Gleneagle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.